Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the question. Most people get its answer wrong because they don't follow the order of operation. 12 minus 4 gives us 8 times 2 plus 18 divided by 3. Now, by moving from left to right, 8 times 2 gives us 16 plus 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 will be equal to 6, and 16 plus 6 equals 22, which is our answer. But remember that this whole method is wrong. It means we have to resolve this question and follow order of operation, because we have multiplication and division which has priority over subtraction. Let us follow a rule of order of operation which is known as PEMDAS: parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Parentheses and exponent are absent, we have multiplication. So 12 times 2 is our first step to handle this question. We will get here 8, and plus 18 divided by 3 will be as it is. Now we have next step as division, because in PEMDAS we have division. So 18 divided by 3 will be handled, which will be equal to plus 6. By moving from left to right, we have 12 minus 8, which will give us 4, plus 6 will be as it is. And finally, we will add these two numbers to get 10, which is the correct and okay answer for this PEMDAS based activity. Thank you for your support.